Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now record an empty background for, let's say, 5 seconds. Then you walk in. When you walk in, now you do as if you are running, or maybe you are tired. Understand? Like maybe you are in a war front, you're running, you are tired, and something like that, and you jump. When you are done with that one, all you need to do is save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. So now click on the plus icon, new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Now remember, we recorded an empty background at the beginning of the video. So what you do here is to tap on this video, then click split. Now this other part that I'm working towards, that fence, I don't want it, so I want to delete it also. So I will tap on this other section here. I'll just tap on split here, and then delete this one. So the video will begin like this. You get my point, guys? I hope you get my point. So now the next thing for you to do, guys, is for you to tap on this other layer here. Now go look for overlay. Now click on overlay. Now bring it to the beginning of the video. So tap on the empty background, go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. So tap on freeze. So you can now drag it, just drag it, tap on it, then drag it, extend it to cover the main video, something like that. So this is how it's going to be, bro. You get my point? So guys, at this point I want to jump. This is where I want to add the green screen effect. Now the explosion is this where I want to add it. So now what I do next is tap on this plus icon, add overlay. Now select the green screen effect. You get my point? Now this is the green screen effect. So what we will do here is you have to set it at where when you jump it will explode. So something like this. Now when you are done setting it, tap on the third layer now, which is the green screen. Now expand it, just expand it to cover the sky. You understand? All right guys, so at this point we will have to remove this green color. Understand? Because we don't need it. You only need the explosion. You get my point? If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do. Now go to remove BG, click on it, go to chroma key, click on chroma key. Now select where it is green, like now it is green. Now tap on intensity, just drag it to 100. Tap on the shadow also, bring it to 100. You get my point? That is just it. So guys, to reveal the character during the explosion, you need to tap on the second layer where the character is. Now tap on split. So when you're tapping on split, and make sure this is where the explosion will take place, go to remove BG and click on auto removal. I don't know if you get my point. So you remove background, you click on split where the person wants to jump, then you go to remove BG, then you remove background, and it will reveal the character during the explosion, like what you are seeing on your screen right now. You get my point? Let me know in the comment section you get my point. So I noticed that the explosion is not really what I wanted. So what I do here is I go to duplicate. I tap on the green screen, then click on duplicate. You understand? So now I will bring it down to make it the fourth layer. Understand? So I'm not joining it, I'm not keeping it the same position. This is where I'm placing it. So I will just see how the explosion is. Now tap on the fourth layer. Let's go to layer. Let's go and look for layer. Click on layer. Now tap on this other arrow that says send to back. When you click on it, to reveal the character, just like what you are seeing on your screen. Understand? So when you are playing the video like something like this, let's see. key, the character reveals it himself. You get my point? Now expand the green effect to cover the sky, something like this. Something like that. Now adjust the second green screen to start from where the first one is starting, something like this. Just bring it there to align. You get my point? You get my point now. So guys, you need to subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Make sure you comment. Get my point? You comment. Look at the explosion, man. All right, so guys, you need a little adjustment on the green screen, you know, understand? So you have to just drag it, make sure it covers the sky, the first and the second green screen. So you keep doing that. Lest I forget, guys, we are having another private classes on Wednesday 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So this is mainly for complete beginners. You want to know basics, you want to know things about Capcut editing on your mobile phone, understand? Then join the class. My WhatsApp number is in my description, so chat me on WhatsApp. Guys, it is not free, but guess what, I'm gonna bring it down very cheap, where you can afford. You get my point? Now I'm gonna show you how to get green screen. All these green screen effects I'm using, I'm going to show you how to get them for free. I'm not going to pay anything for that one. It's a one-time registration, understand? So guys, join the class on Wednesday. You get my point? So the next thing for you to do now is to tap on each of the layers. Now click on split, then delete them because they are no more useful. You get my point? So that's just it. Just delete it. So you will have something like this when you are done. So guys, now we want to add another green screen at the beginning of the video. So click on the plus icon, add overlay. Now bring the green screen effect you want to add again to Capcut. You get my point? So what you do here is, you know how to remove the green color, like I said in the beginning of this video. So you remove the color and then position it where you want it to be, understand? So when you are done with everything, this is how it's going to be. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, make sure you share this video, make sure you comment, subscribe to this channel, man. Now you can save the video to your gallery. You get my point?